Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This review reflects my personal experience using Asana Rebel. Asana Rebel, an honest review. Watch this before you subscribe. Asana Rebel is a fitness app designed for busy individuals seeking a convenient, equipment-free way to improve their strength, flexibility, and overall fitness. It blends yoga-inspired movements with high-intensity interval training, HIIT, workouts, all accessible from the comfort of your home. This app offers a diverse range of workout styles, from flowing yoga sequences and intense HIIT sessions to strength training routines and even guided meditations to support mental wellness. A standout feature is the easy-to-follow guided video format, perfect for beginners. Asana Rebel also provides customizable workout plans tailored to your specific fitness goals and schedule, whether you're aiming to lose weight, tone muscles, or simply maintain an active lifestyle. The app even includes a nutrition section with healthy recipes, though it doesn't offer the in-depth meal planning found in more specialized nutrition apps. So, who is Asana Rebel best suited for? It's an ideal choice for individuals seeking a balanced blend of yoga and fitness training within a single app. It's particularly appealing to beginners and intermediate users looking for a straightforward, user-friendly app to guide their fitness journey. However, if you're a serious bodybuilder or require a highly detailed fitness tracker with advanced metrics, this app might feel somewhat limited. It's important to consider the subscription model. While a free version provides access to a limited number of workouts, the premium membership unlocks the full range of features and content. Is Asana Rebel worth the investment? If you value a balanced approach to fitness, combining mindfulness with active training, and prefer an aesthetically pleasing and easy-to-navigate app, Asana Rebel is a solid choice. Just be aware that you'll need to subscribe to the premium version to fully benefit from all its features.